How to count time in Godot. Let's learn in this tutorial. Go to Project Settings. Display. Window. Set the viewport width to 1152. And the viewport height to 648. Orientation. Landscape. Then close the project setting window. Switch to 2D mode. Create a node. And name it Game Time. Add label node. And name it Time Status. Set its anchor presets to center top position. In the text field, write 0:0. Click Game Time node. Add a button node. And in the text field write Start. Set its anchor presets to center position. Click Game Time node. Add Timer node. Click Game Time node. Add Confirm dialog box node. You can click on the visibility button to make it visible. And change its position to make it in the center. Set its position. X value 480. Y value 100. Click the visibility icon to make it invisible. Hold Ctrl key. And press S key to save the scene. Press Enter. Click on the Game Time node that you have created. And attach the script to it. Click on the button node. On the right-hand side there is a Node tab, just after the Inspector tab. Click on it. Below you will find the pressed signal. Double-click on it. And click on Connect. Then click on the Timer node. Find the timeout signal. And double-click it. Click the Connect button. Now, let's start coding. Declare a variable. var start time equals 60. Var sac equals start time. Var minute equals 1. Min is already there in the built-in function, so I name it a minute. When the start button is pressed, we will trigger the timer to start. In the function on button pressed, write $timer.start. The $sign is the shorthand for the getNode function. When the timer gets timeout, we will call the function game_time. In the function on timer timeout, write game_time open bracket, close bracket. The game time function is not yet defined. We need to define a function called game_time to count the time and display the time status. Write func game_time open bracket, close bracket. In the function write the code. If sac greater than 0 : sac minus equal 1. $time status dot text equals str open bracket minute close bracket plus open double inverted commas colon close double inverted commas plus str open bracket sac close bracket. Else colon. Sac equal start time minus 1. If minute greater than 0 : minute minus equal 1. $time status dot text equals str open bracket minute close bracket plus open double inverted commas colon close double inverted commas plus str open bracket sac close bracket. Else colon. $timer.stop. $confirmation dialog.show. The game time function is now defined. Now test the code. Click the Run the Project button. Confirm dialog window will appear and ask you to select the scene. Click Select Current. If you find this tutorial helpful, then click like, share, subscribe and don't forget to click on the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.